Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do smoked vegetable kebab without oven and tandoor. It is very easy to make and will taste so good. Coming to the recipe, we need one raw banana, that is green plantain. You have to cut it into half. Take two medium-sized potatoes and cut them into halves. Now let us transfer everything into the pressure cooker. Add around 2 cups of water and close this. We are going to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. So here is our banana and potatoes. This is ready. Let us take it out and allow it to cool down. Once it cools down, you can remove the skin. As we have cooked everything, the skin will come out very easily. Now let us transfer everything into another bowl and mash them. To this add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves, a small piece of chopped ginger, 1 chopped green chilli, a quarter cup of chopped coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, required amount of salt, and juice of half a lemon. Now give everything a nice mix. This seems to be a little sticky for me, so I am going to add a tablespoon of corn flour. You can adjust the corn flour according to your need. Mix this well. Let us take a handful out of it and shape it with the help of the skewer. So here is our shaped kebab, and do the same for the rest of the kebab mix. Our next step is to cook the kebabs. Pour some oil in a pan and spread it. Once the pan is hot, arrange all the kebabs on the pan. One side is done, let us flip it. You have to turn the kebabs all sides and cook it properly until it turns golden brown. Make sure to cook the kebabs in low to medium flame. So here the kebabs are ready, we can take it out. Let us transfer all the kebabs into a plate. The kebabs are almost ready. You can have the kebabs like this itself, but we are going to give a little smoky flavor for the kebab. For the charcoal flavor, we are going to use coconut shells. Take a small piece of coconut shell and hold it directly on the fire. It will turn like this at one stage. So here is our easy homemade charcoal. Pour some oil on the charcoal and close the plate. Let us leave this for another 3 or 4 minutes. So here is our smoked vegetable kebab. We are going to serve the kebab along with green chutney. So let us see how to make green chutney. For the chutney, you need a handful of mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 10 cashew nuts, 1 green chili, 1 garlic clove, a small piece of ginger, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, required amount of salt, juice of half a lemon, and finally a cup of curd. Let us grind this into a fine paste. So here is our green chutney. This chutney will taste so good with kebab. So our kebab and chutney is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.